Hello everyone. In last video we have seen simple present tense. This tense we have learned. Okay, means this is used for the daily habit, proverbs and universal truth. Okay, base form of the verb we were using in the tense. Next, simple past tense. Second wala is simple past tense. Past means भूतकाळ झालेल्या गोष्टी and simple. We know very well there are four types of the tense. Okay, main three types: present, past and future, and subtypes are simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. Tense is very important topic for the spoken English also and first to tense standard grammar also. In this tense, formula is subject plus second form of the verb and object. Second form of the verb means क्रियापदाचे दुसरे रूप. We will say go is the first form and went is the second form. Went means गेला, go means जाणे, and third form of the verb is gone. Okay, we know very well. Go means जाणे. V1 always shows us present tense. V2 always shows us past tense, past form. It is called past form. It is called present form. And V3 is called past participle. क्रियापदाचे तिसरे रूप. This tense we use for happened action means घडून गेलेल्या गोष्टी. For example, एखाद्याने गाडी घेतली. That time we can say he bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought a car. त्याने गाडी घेतली. Okay, means he is the subject, bought is the second form of the verb and this is the object. Means we know very well B-U-Y, buy means खरेदी करणे and B-R-I-N-G, bring means आणणे. Difference between bought and brought is what? इथं विकत घेतली आणि इथं ब्रॉट केलं तर आणली असं होतंय. ओके, दिस इज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ द टेन्स. वी हॅव टू यूज द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट मीन्स कर्ता अँड कर्ता मीन्स एखाद्याचं नाव किंवा सर्वनाम. नाव मीन्स नेम, नाउन, अँड प्रोनाउन मीन्स I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These words we use at the starting of the sentence. This is the formula for simple past tense. घडून गेलेल्या गोष्टी यामध्ये आपण दाखवतो क्रियापदाचं दुसरं रूप आपल्याला वापरावं लागतं. जसं की आपण म्हणतो ईट म्हणजे खाणे, याचा सेकंड फॉर्म होतो एट. शी ate an apple. तिने ऍपल खाल्लं. दिस इज द सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द verb. Like this you can make the different sentences in the simple past tense. Okay, and in the next video we are going to see simple future tense. Okay, thank you very much.